Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't subscribe to Sunny Super King, click that bell. So I'm gonna get my hair comb, my hair wrap, whatever you guys will call it. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair. Good thing I have a kit. Okay. All I do is take a strand and hold it, and I have to brush this. Brush like that. Like so. And then I brush, take another stand and brush. Okay. So I do my hair a lot because I like my hair. I'm going to take another section into my hair. Okay. Almost done. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I make a bun. So first things first, all I do is take all my hair like so, and then I put it like that and twist it like this, and then I my rubber band on it like so. My buns won't come that well, but I can show you guys it. So I'm going to turn around. And this is how it looks. Okay, so I showed you guys my bun. So now I'm going to make a ponytail. So first all I have to do is stick out my, I can just shake. I usually just shake it out and my bun comes out, and this is also another, and then I'm gonna take this hair rubber band out. Okay, I'm gonna do a ponytail. After this, there's also one more way to show you guys. Okay, that's a ponytail. Now this one is ponytail is really easy to make too. Okay, so first I just take one strand for this one. This one strand first. Take 3 strands out of this much hair. Really less amount, and then I just twist it and turn. Twist, 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 twist. Can you guys see the braid what's forming? It really starts so I can show you guys it from a closer look. From here, so take 1, 2, 3. Start by taking one strand, one of these strands in the middle. So, and then you take like that. Okay, I might do like this so I can go to the top. And then turn it again like that, do that, do this, do that, do this. So it keeps on going like that the same way, and I'll be done in any second now with this braid. Okay, I'm done. Since I don't have an extra rubber band, I'm just gonna first put this like that. I might show you. Okay. Like this, I'm gonna do it. Okay, now tie it. This is going to be super duper fun because I'm not getting bored at all, either being like for like forever, and I still have like 2 more stuff I did not do yet. So this is gonna get fun soon. Okay, I take 1 more strand, like so. I move the rest of the hair back. 1 strand, 2, 3. That one's a bit thin. That one's a bit thin, so I can just like keep on adjusting. Maybe that was just too big of a strand. Okay. Now twist it like so again. Okay, I'm almost done with my hair. Gonna be done any second now. Okay, I'm done since I don't have a rubber band. Just let go, does not matter. Did not come out equally, but it will have to do for my trick because I can't like redo my hair. Okay. So I'm gonna take my rubber band and tie those 2 braids like right together. Does not turn out well. As soon as I'm done, I'll take it off. Okay. Almost done. I wish I had a smaller rubber band. Those will go a bit faster. But this will have to speed up the process. Guys, I'm done with my hairstyle. I don't think it came out so well, but this would have to do. This is it. Okay. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. Like this. That. Okay. That was my hairstyle. And so now